Urgent warning: 5 dangerous diseases commonly affecting dogs in summer. Today, I will share with you 5 particularly dangerous diseases that can claim your pet's life at any time, and which are very common in summer. I will also guide you on the most effective ways to prevent these diseases. Let's find out what they are. Heat stroke is a condition where body temperature rises excessively beyond the body's tolerance level, leading to death if not detected and treated promptly. During the peak of hot summer days, dogs that play outdoors, especially short-muzzled or long-haired dogs, are very susceptible to heat stroke. Dogs kept indoors without air conditioning are also easily affected. Symptoms of heat stroke include gasping for breath, a bright red tongue, bloodshot eyes, excessive drooling, especially thick, sticky drool around the neck, vomiting, lethargy, loss of balance, lying on the ground, urinary incontinence, and possibly fainting or seizures. If you notice your dog exhibiting these signs of heat stroke, you need to quickly move it to a cool place and place a wet towel underneath its body. Note that you should not cover the dog's body with the towel, as this will hinder heat dissipation and cause it to die faster. Many people make this mistake. Next, turn on a fan to cool the dog down. If you have an air-conditioned room, set the temperature to around 28 degrees Celsius. Then, prepare a large basin of water. Add ice to maintain the water temperature at around 18 to 20 degrees Celsius, which is ideal, and immerse the dog in it. If you don't have a large enough basin, don't worry. Just prepare a full basin of water, cool it down, and continuously pour the water over the dog. After completing this step, immediately call a veterinarian to come to your home to administer IV fluids or take the dog to the nearest hospital so the veterinarian can give it saline solution to prevent acute kidney failure after heat stroke. We must understand that when heat stroke occurs, the body loses water very quickly and the blood becomes concentrated. Once the blood is concentrated, it can no longer nourish the kidneys, and therefore many dogs, even after recovering from heat stroke, still die from acute kidney failure. That's why the step of administering saline solution is crucial and indispensable. To prevent heat stroke, you need to ensure your dog is always in a cool, sheltered place to rest during the summer. If the room has many glass windows, either turn on the air conditioner or open the front and back windows to ensure good ventilation, and provide your dog with plenty of clean water 24/7. The water should be kept in a shady place so the dog can drink at any time. This is a type of external parasite that thrives in the summer. When dog ticks infest a dog, they feed on blood until they are full, causing skin inflammation and particularly dangerous blood-borne parasitic diseases. Symptoms include excessive scratching, hair loss, red bite marks on the skin, and ticks the size of a grain of rice or even a pea can be found clinging to various areas of the dog's body, especially inside the ears. If you find ticks on your dog, you can easily treat them with tick sprays or chewable tablets. However, you should limit your dog's playtime in areas with lots of trees or bushes, as these are places where ticks hide. Also, limit your dog's contact with other dogs and cats to prevent the risk of tick infestation. Skin infections in dogs can be caused by bacteria, fungi, or parasites. When summer arrives, the hot and humid weather makes the skin very prone to irritation and weakens its resistance, creating an ideal environment for pathogens to invade and cause dermatitis. Symptoms may include redness, the appearance of hard, scaly bumps on the skin, pus-filled pimples, a foul odor, oily skin, intense itching and scratching, and hair loss. Sometimes, some dogs may suffer from chronic dermatitis, which frequently recurs in the summer. For skin inflammation, you can use home treatments such as oral medication and bathing with medicated shampoos as prescribed by your veterinarian. Ensure your dog maintains good hygiene by bathing them once or twice a week and trimming their fur short in the summer. After each bath, we must dry the dog's fur thoroughly and supplement its diet with nutritious foods that support healthy skin, such as omega-3 fish oil or natural foods like beef, chicken, pork liver, seafood, and eggs. Summer is the time of year when the most rabies cases are recorded. We can confirm that this is one of the most dangerous infectious diseases in dogs because it is incurable and can be transmitted to humans through bites or scratches from pets. Symptoms of rabies in dogs include sudden changes in behavior, such as the dog becoming unusually docile or unusually aggressive, attacking anyone, fear of water, light, wind, hiding in corners, barking aimlessly even when no one is around, drooping jaw making it difficult to swallow saliva, and excessive drooling from the sides of the mouth. If your dog shows these signs, it needs to be isolated quickly, and you should contact a veterinarian immediately for assistance. Remember, rabies is incurable and extremely dangerous to humans, so the best way is to vaccinate your dog against rabies annually, both to protect your dog and your family. Also, remember to keep your dog away from stray dogs and cats of unknown origin. Kennel cough is a contagious disease that greatly affects the respiratory system of dogs. Although not life-threatening, it is often persistent and takes a long time to treat. Symptoms may include a dry cough, a hacking cough that sounds like a goose's call, sometimes difficulty breathing, a runny nose, and some may experience a slight fever and fatigue. During hot weather, this is when kennel cough outbreaks are most common. If you notice signs of kennel cough in your dog, isolate it from other dogs to prevent the spread of the disease. Keep your dog in a cool, quiet place to rest and contact your veterinarian for treatment. Kennel cough is usually treated with over-the-counter medications. The best way to prevent it is to ensure your dog receives all necessary annual vaccinations, limit its outdoor activities during the summer, and maintain good ventilation indoors to prevent stress from the heat. These are some brief tips to help you better protect your dog's health this summer. If you forgot to vaccinate your dog this year, remember to get it vaccinated. Vaccinations protect both your dog's health and your family's health. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like it and subscribe to the channel to receive more useful information to help you care for your pets at home like a pro. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.
Thank you for visiting. We'll see you next time.
Oh!